The Trump administration is considering the death penalty as a solution to the opioids crisis. Officials from Singapore's government are being asked to give counsel on their strict anti-drug policy, among a number of proposals being explored, as the Trump administration continues to scratch their heads over the opioid crisis. To give context to the crisis, it's a problem of polarization. The doctors who normally license painkillers to patients in dire need of relief are now being met with sanctions. On the hand, recreational use is hard to police on a case-by-case basis. In 2016 alone, nearly 60,000 were lost to opioid abuse, according to the Washington Post. Donald Trump has apparently been speaking in private with Singaporean officials about using the death penalty as a measure against the crisis. The application of the death penalty in Singapore has been met with its fair share of criticism. The country pushes its ideals as progressive policies without fear of scrutiny, when in fact Draconian law always carries with it a blatant disregard for human rights. We're talking about systems that weigh economic factors up against their humanitarian records. Trump was quoted as saying at a White House summit on opioids last week. Some countries have a very tough penalty, the ultimate penalty, and they have much less of a drug problem than we do. Via The Independent.